The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra was officially unveiled at Samsung's Unpacked event on January 22nd, 2025, and it hit the shelves on February 7th. Even now, it's one of the most talked about phones of the year. So whether you've been holding out or just curious, here's an honest unboxing and hands-on first impression that still matters. Finally got my hands on this beauty, and spoiler alert, it's definitely worth a second look. Right out of the gate, Samsung sticks to its minimal packaging style. Inside, the first thing you will notice is the phone itself, wrapped in that satisfying peel-off plastic. We've also got the usual suspects here, the USB-C cable, the SIM ejector, and the paperwork. Now, officially, Samsung doesn't include a charger anymore, but luckily for me, for my order from the Samsung Digital Center, they threw in a complimentary 25-watt power adapter. The Samsung S25 Ultra feels solid. It's got a slightly flatter edge this time, with a titanium frame and Gorilla Glass AMOLED 2 front and back. Definitely flagship vibes all round. The 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display is simply stunning. Colors pop, animations flow at 120Hz, and outdoor visibility is exceptional. One UI 7 running on Android 15 feels more refined than ever. Everything just responds instantly to your touch. Camera wise, Samsung has upped their game again. The new 200 megapixel sensor captures incredible detail, while the 50 megapixel ultra wide gives you that dramatic perspective without the usual distortion. The dual telephoto setup, 50 megapixel at 5x zoom and 10 megapixel at 3x, means your zoom shots actually look good, even when pushing towards that crazy 100x range. And night mode has gotten noticeably better. Darkness isn't the limitation it used to be. Yep, the S Pen remains the Ultra's secret weapon. The responsiveness feels even better this year, almost like writing on paper. From quick notes to precision editing, it's that extra tool that transforms how you use your phone. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, apps launch instantly, and heavy multitasking doesn't even make it break a sweat. The stereo speakers deliver impressive depth and clarity. Definitely among the best you'll find on any smartphone today. Initial verdict: the S25 Ultra doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it polishes every aspect of an already stellar formula. Great design, strong cameras, and powerful hardware. But is all this refinement worth that premium price tag? Well, that depends on what you want to get out of it. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. See you in the next one.